you're gonna go get nowhere. There are people that rap for like 10 years and they never got anywhere. There are people that rap for 2 years and they're on top of the world. You know, and if you're in a situation where people are not buying music where you at, go to where people are buying the music at. If the DJ is not playing your record right here, go somewhere where the DJ will play your record.
That's what's up.
This man speaks the truth.
Yeah.
Have fun.
I will answer every question while I'm here because I know everybody's doing this here to make it, you know, and I know we all want to go out and make some money. I want everybody to be successful in what they do. Yeah, what's up?
This is Amber. I'm senior board writer for DJBooth.net. You know the site in Chicago, DJ.
Yo!
I can't hear you. Come on here.
You know DJBooth.net. That's the site that Chicago's DJZ is on. DJBooth.net. Averages no visitors per month. Yeah. My boss is DJZ from Chicago. He says he knows you.
Oh, okay.
DJZ, you heard of him?
I think I heard of him. I've only been to Chicago like twice.
Yep. He runs the site .net. I've done quite a few for the Swisher House. But Paul, excuse me. This microphone is brought to you by Military Entertainment. Like that. So, anyway, what I'm telling you, everybody's been asking.
Hold on. That microphone need a battery in it, man.
This way.
It need a battery in it. Baby.
Yeah, it need a battery, fam. Yeah, need a battery.
Yeah, man, do not be scared to leave outside the city and promote your music. That's one of the reasons to help me to get to where I'm at because I got out of Houston and started promoting our music.
This microphone's been brought to you. That microphone was brought to me personally by Ice Age Entertainment.
Okay. He just asked me a really good question, right? He asked, if I'm in a situation where there are a lot of big people and I want to let them hear my music, is it best for me to give them my CD or do a performance? If you can perform, do a performance. Because, like, if you're at a big convention, I'll probably get like 100 CDs, and to be real about it, I probably only get to listen to like 20 of them. And the 20 of them I'm going to listen to are the people that I remember. Like if I see you doing a stage performance and I heard your song, I felt like it was really rocking. I'm going to listen to your CD. You know, versus another person gave me a CD here, listen to my CD. Because another thing about you going out there and performing, you going out there and having a hard effort to go out there and go do a performance versus just sitting around here just handing me a CD. I know that you're more serious about your work if you're going out there to do a performance, even if you pay to get on the stage. That means that you have more heart than a person that's just passing the CD. And at the end of the day, the people that got heart and determination, they're going to make it versus the person that's just doing it for the fun of it.
How you get your A&R, how you get A&R to listen to the music? I know they wanted that straight for the talent,
you know when it comes down to A&Rs, when they listen to your music, first thing they want to know is, can I sell this? Can I sell the artist? Can I sell this music? Can I sell the artist? So they're going to want to see a visual on you, and they're going to want to see your performance. Because that's almost more important than your music. Because you notice, like some of the people that's most successful, they don't have the most talent.
Exactly.
But it's something about them that make people want to buy.
Yeah.
And when there's a corporation, you're thinking about, I'm going to invest my money. All thing I care about is if I invest my money into you, will I turn over a profit?
Yes, sir.
It's not about how good you are, am I going to make a profit?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you're going to do something for the fun of it, do it for the fun of it, go ahead and give it away or whatever. But if it takes off, you run with it. But you got to realize when you work with somebody else, that's all they care about. Is if they believe that what you do is going to make them a profit. You wrap it up?
Yeah. One more question.
Okay.
Well, we've spent all night talking about what's going on with us. What we want to know is what's going on with you and that swing sauce thing. We want to know what's good with the artists Lil Kiki, Young Red, Paul Wall, and out here watching the crew band. We want to know about what's going on with you.
You know, everything, man, I don't want to talk all night. You know, anything you need to know about us, we got a website, the SwisherHouse.biz. And on some real stuff, if you have a lot of traffic on MySpace, if your MySpace page, you got like 100,000 friends, go get your own website so you can make your own money.
Oh, for sure. Yeah. Hell yeah. It is beats. It is beats.
All we do is ball out.
And on that note, Swisher House is in the building. Y'all can't say that my man Michael Watson gave y'all a little bit of knowledge that's going to help y'all get through the door. And once again, when y'all